Welcome back everyone, this is Nasim and today I am going to show you how you can launch your first e-commerce business as a complete beginner on Shopify. No more further delay, let's start the video, but before that if you are new to this channel please do subscribe because it will help me to continue working on this channel. So let's go. Alright, first of all go to shopify.com and you will get their official website, and here is we need to sign up for first. So if I click on start for free, so I will give the link on this video description. So with this link, if you click on that link and you will get this discount like $1 for first 3 months, I mean $3 for 3 months. Okay, and you can pick any of the monthly package after that. Okay, so this is yearly package. With yearly you will get 25% save, but let's start for free. Like for it's pretty cool, it's depend on your business. Okay, so I'm clicking on start for free. Here we need to input our email address, and first of all I just change my country. So of course you have to choose your country. So I just picked United States and then email address. So for email I just pick this my random email address. So this is actually just for this video. I will not continue this store, just for demo purpose. I just want to show you. Okay, and pick up a high quality password, of course. Okay, so strong password, of course, it's quite harder for hack, so that's why always you should pick the high strong, some sample with your. Okay, then I just want to save it and no thanks, and then it's window actually telling you start free for $1. So if you want you can pay it right now or you can do it later. For me I don't want to pay it right now, I just want to skip it. So click on skip, and then this is the next window. I just skip the setup, and then I will see the Shopify dashboard. So this is the dashboard where you can control your entire Shopify website. Okay, so if I show you one thing, like for on Gmail, of course you need to confirm when you create your store. So by default we have made one Shopify store. Okay, so you don't believe, right? So I just want to show you so how the store look like. So if I go on the online store and then click on the I button, then here you can see this is the store we have made without a technical hassle. Just sign up and this is store ready. So if you want you can change the store name from here. For example, this is called my store and I just want to change it to another name. What it's okay, my test store. I just want to do it for test. So test store and then save. You can see I have my store name has changed, and you can see on top of the tab bar it's showing it's my test store. And this is the settings overview, guys, and I just want to go back, and this is the online sales. So in my next video I will tell you all the feature, like all the dashboard introduced. Okay, but for this video I just want to quickly show you this is the theme. So if you want you can get the free theme. You can see in Shopify store there are 24 free theme and $9.95 paid theme. So for me as a free theme I love one free theme. So if I search on their down, so this down theme is free and I love this theme. So I just want to install this theme to my store. Just try free, and you can see how easy to add a theme. Our theme is ready. So when you add any theme, and after that you just need to publish, then this theme will install instantly with your store. Okay, you can see this theme is installing and it's now just added, and we just need to publish this theme, then this theme will be published on our store. Okay, this is very beginner friendly and best free theme from my perspective, so you can pick that one if you want to start free, but if you want you can go with the premium one. But my recommendation is free is good because Canva AI also available there. So in couple of video I will show you how you can make a premium looking theme with their Canva, with their AI. Okay, so this is actually the video how you can make a fast Shopify store. And if you don't know, you can like here is the billing. This billing also telling us $1 for first month, so I will get it of course, but for today I think that's enough for today. So I don't want to make this video too much longer because it's just a shop creation video. So this is the a step-by-step process that I am going to launch a Shopify store for you. So if you found this video useful, thank you. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful for you, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel because it will help me to continue working on that.